A civil authority has issued a civil emergency message for the following counties or areas. Cascade, Montana, at 10:30 p.m. on November 7th, 2024. Effective until 11:45 p.m. Message from IPOSCAP. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Great Falls Office of Emergency Management. This is an update to the shelter-in-place warning issued earlier. The shelter-in-place order is no longer in effect, as hazmat teams have cleared up the hazardous materials release. However, Great Falls Police request that travel in and around the area of the international airport be avoided if possible, as accident investigation teams are still surveying the area. Airport Drive will remain closed throughout the remainder of the evening and will reopen tomorrow morning.